What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Charlie, if you want
to eat any food, you have to come to Osenko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
If you come up.
No goddess said you are baby and a pabedity.
Wow, Shanamna. Well, your my dear BB and MBA. I had a 7 appear bedidi a viral. I would order Johnny. You are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And see a Johnny pay fee. Mumina Johnny Park. Now, Hannah Johnny Papa walk. You were easily gone. Boundary road. Opposite the self-filling station.
Akwa Shonko and Goma Wibia Sabri Waji Pressure to my GH so Nasa and Shemudewe Efa a Yawamayimu and Sama Abba Yedika and Nemetsun Konya Mediba Besomo na a yakwese o manganimu sembi wo wa wokoka no kra set den krompa man 40 kra pa na so hunye hi ade na weka no prewe everywhere mu asemme na meka won asem enje bia ene de besomo ye ntia yensa eka ye every resurrection power chapel international so kupeni oda no ye etiba na ekoso na kache na efa na pomodi enwo ensem na ye kwoswa koko family story e atese ye friend ne associate pastor the former associate pastor no so ben na onim ne won tem ate so confirm sa pastor wonu so sa no bate sa na ekoso emele sorry emani bi so ye ti wo munum ensem a sa na wo so ate fi aso ba ye kan me Ghana fo ante ase wo ne anya adwen embe bi fa ho kra de me de wo fa me nya renti umtwa na de papa na so so eduma me ye no se menya ntie na mabọ mamanye na mape ho emu nukre ede asomo na still na no ensem kwa na ekosoro a tese busuafo eya na yare hwemu ensem anampo na pomudi ho ensem mekire eye Reverend Anthony Kojobuache onu so pani awoda eye Resurrection Power Chapel International no eya kwaye bibia wo say according to the etete no be say enna kakra ni na wochi mebreni ayeso wo mu hunu asoro ma na asha say hi wo pe no pray wo ensem no emu enu tie wesa kotie eye audio a ye hwehwemu ye saka ye confirm say wo yare na ye ba emu nsem aba echire dia manfo abedi abebata ho ene dia ekwaso ne yasa edia ka ho edia somo ewodwede ye emu saa so ena eye prophet Najigeze akwese die still na wonte no wate ewoye IGP meeting a wone soma wodo man ga na mumpanifo eye ade se no wo musi gina ye se ene wo hye nkom na onim se fa ye wobi ewu obewu ana se bidi e bi ehu beba dia na se wakoche permit e de fi quarter na se okay, we are now the evidence true to one at the ababonte. So now question prophet Najigeze one thing one say won say police for betwe si surgery e dia fa ye kusosuma na say ediye e wan nam so amana je several fa ba say da bi IGP still na no meet ye no anyem ye anko ye say wo mu a ensem no fa wo mu krampo no ya sofa na edifo no krampo no omu ba kumpo niwa meeting ase no mu obi dress asem no one pound the sister gina one man go ahead what this item no ebeto abonti na hoso nsem no ye be hwe na ebiebie mu na yaka ewo dwumade yi eso nti so abaki a ene jebre han ho ewo akonya utimo anase mpa woda so ana bebi ewo bia ne mmodi na miafo no send ewo so na frɛ obi bia betimi afrɛ no so mbra on board no ma join dwumade na se bia ntimi enkoye na ekoso no na wo so de wadwe nkyerɛ wonsem bisa efa live chat no mu eje eso na se me kan ye no ye gotie audio confirm say Resurrection Power Chapel of Penya ye also Anthony Kojobuache na pomudi ewonsem de ko ye kotie emran ye ba ya shenko mono edifi ho
ma Reverend Kwame Sefa Fepon na mimi kase
e pa cho ane
ma cho via boko
na mena mo bible na won se even ko pa na pa cho mo so e
Mr. Mehuye, too much GH na NAFO na ina nintie se so for penny awuda restoration power international chapel ano ye so for bwache si na pamudin ensemu nye kakra no kresa
me pacho tana menso mateno me fa mani hu die but tana menso mateno
Na daben ne eba so na si daben na sisi aso no etesen edman.
Come we see ye mentimi enche da enchira usisi.
Okay.
But yet you were enframemu na ye checks and so ya ye ni se ampa ye me papa na pumudin enche da enye. So I won't buy bomu esre erade se onye ya papa emaye.
Okay.
Oye eduma pa o kana ha. Ni kweguni na tano edos.
Okay.
Yen buy boni se esre erade. Onye no emaye itanse ono na mampa. So mampa dia omo modin se en kweta dia tini ya kwedia. Onye na kwa. No man of whom they said that they do more than obeying a view.
Oh, okay. Now, since I know, we have to send or to make a can walk a car when young or day, or do it soon and I'm Kakana, so now, I ran a canal at all.
Sister, the minister or I are a chef here. I will share Moya. As is the information, then I say, Namiabdom, or responding to treatment. A doctor for a day man. It's immediately the Bible count one. Or else a full young mom, obeying me as an area.
Now, the sea and Senate, you know, I'm sorry, no, I to one more homogena alpha, in a CB, they are found more to and won't be the fine someone. Send the area in a pumudin, I want them.
For now, maybe. I saw him when it was so 80 and chili, bomber than said, Papa no, Ebenya and Moto. It's answer Ghana ha, and Ghana was to be area, but the other in a pony. I am Sabia. And she meaning said, I saw him when it was in almost should be for finish. Almost bomber to say Papa so Ebenya Irish. Meaning said, once on my Sabia, I rather say, in your Habanian fat, a journey side radio. A man of the phone in here, and went on post in Kusia. To go with me, I just don't mean you there. But you did a count an empire, Bono. Let's reckon a for, let's say, Ubiara, let's sorry, the future phone and the accident. Only in I am fat or dog and moon near Montpire. Na then so emblem mine. And so to a bemwa again in a bay.
Now, we don't make him get a phone to say, so for Bompire, men go for now, my arista, me, ma be a pine, and mamma for Enya, a pumudin papa, say, as some way at another day, and pie and no naba for mana, DNT and Akabanisa, and I saw for you, but say, Anna.
I think that. The back high Bible, Elijah, no, you focus here. The person one.
Umpire no crack.
I know Bompire ma Ubinaba. But a radical Apolano, one more Elijah man, or see Windy a radical. A radical.
Okay.
See, you two name more you do. Yanumu I really like chemical media. Any part or what? Who better to Macacra? And one just say, Umpire and no apparati. But so you pay here. So why you are woman cry, Naya, you mother Diana, straight, I come. And see, a young empire book. I answer a bonfire mango for Esa, Enya 20. I got it, would do you for 80 minutes do man.
Okay.
Aha, 80. Never say, a young empire on alcohol. Ah, not a 2 year at the man on an alpha. Really paint. Ah, you did a Diana chemical blooming by all means. Daniel will never hear.
Betty Siampa. Now, I am up for the donor, Casse, a soft one Cassano, Dumomo Yanoya, the donor, a mood to Momo, a sumo, and so, Omabu doing some more MP and shake. so for but is an what on your brain share na pomodin ho nsem so ho say ene bia sem so na wo kan duane aye die ni nyama papa no high so akwa pass e timu anti ntimi nya hwemfa ade ya pe apomodin ho nsem ehwe aso for so na modwuma no akwa honhom akwan ti na say de bia da enu an wo mu so start stress the bram nti enu bi na ato so for ana say ono no pe na pomodin ho nsem ka
oye nipa ba ko a watai echeche ne ma egu ni na se omumpo makomudin serious pa oye nipa ba ko bia ne ti se odwe na komudin ho so egu ha no akata me ko akako check na ito ye obia oye health conscious person
okay
but when we use it and can be brave it's on the Bible say ade ni na yam pa da me wade
okay
ewade no nim do oye eno ti na me say Ghana through na mo me mo modern na ya mo mpaye ejibifo ya mo mpaye na ya kan chero ni say na kwa owu ni mo bono nsa na yare maye
okay ready e become hona ya kai no empire bom e da se say for oje so
na me so e shira me pa afa mo
oh e da ma se bye bye
yo bye
ebusuafo se na mekae no saa so ne yakotie ajaba ebiomu no yasa susu bia se anokwasem se papa no na pomudi ehun sem akụkọ edwa mu kakra wo yare amate so woje ayarehwe se ne yakotie na enunti ana mapia be mabedafo ewo ha se ensem se na aba se na Ghana fo bi efa no na ni chichu sorry mani bi efa no eni eye die nti omo fa ne sa ne dia ba echemia no mo bo amena pe ye komodie ne timi e bia hye me bia mu nsem ne timi aka na mana kosie nti bo ne ma ye mabedafo akwaba ye Mr. Ben Bruce wajeja de mu biem sa so e na Empress and Rihanna obepiem we fi ase so wa krado se woni yen ebeko eye enkomo yi emu me mo kwaba ya utimi die won ba mo din enyanko Rihanna we na bo me na abom ba ko so abamati esa de we promotion man pa etime do bi emu a
we self promo
ane asa me gbo abaso ye ntina
Ma mo bro.
ye bre adintia
Diti ko she jemusa.
debut eno so e
diti ko she jemusa sesen
Nyamiam.
wo mu so ba bi adintia ko she jemusa
Nyami ye bia mo mpe. Nyami de be pa na nyami ye wo.
ya ho for the man
Me chira o ya wo mpe.
ye ni pedua ye pe
Wanu yi. Se na nyami bo. Wakan. Uti bia wo.
ana pe o ba
I for television
o ba ya
for television e mama
Se ma sa mo tete.
okay so e o fenti na so hwem
Se ja.
ye pe nyame pen sa ba mo so mo pe bi for front ye o fe won say wo hwe
Emi da ka natural beauty.
open natural
Yeah,
beauty
yeah,
o be na me tia na me nima ye bi for franka o won sem ka
me dum channel.
o won sem ka ye fa nkomodie ni hihye so e wo sa kware so na mama akwa ba me de me tse makomodie ni nsem bi ya okay o ma fa me hwem ai do address
Ya pos.
o dem mi se won ni problem bi ha dem sika sem she wo koto unya problem am so unya problem
Mate.
okay boss we dey mami enra enkomo ni mo fa o sha se yeah Reverend Anthony Kojopo ache ye tese wo yare ye tama ye te ye krampo na e remote nya fa metuda e bo mo din adwedwe mu a de kope na sofo ni bia na obi a yenim so obetimi aka ne nsema chen en wo kire mu so an kwase mo no so te sa we free bisase sa na wo say an sa na etie na we ni ban to yare na ya ba ne de be so mahwefo ye de mo evidence account da so wo say jai we comment section ya mia ya to say baby am free crap me show pass so mu prom crap comment
na no na how
I'm sad because ekejuma no but ekejuma no but the very fact is say so for yare ni aka oh kesi nka ya kan do so for na won so mba de kan ne call for prayer na ke bia bom na pa ya ka bara so na obeya ma obi bia no bi o yare kona so timi gire mu pompa ya manaka ya so ya fa to ya so na ke gire mu pompa ya man but ankoba ne sa adenti na mpendo do na se eba ne se osofo ke dwema na kwese de ne kana ye kana so yare aye ntimi nka ni akata so obewu krampa obi otimi ukura 3 weeks ni ntimi nka because wo koka na kwese de Upelu wo ubone uto some style bi. Dey ntina e man for who soft asofo to say Nyankopon no me bi say asem.
Me share what for no be a share. Say Nyankopon oyare. Nyankopon oyare.
Onyankopon dey want me yare.
You see, Nyetia sorry man. Re fi so me nipa ne say. Asofo bebre carry on so me nyame. Yes.
And you do more you need
No, you see, those times now, asofo ayen no. Umoma, ye servants of God.
Okay.
That is the word. But to say no, asofo aba no, projected to say, nim nyame adwen. Tie you.
Itie.
Who ba be crusade? Wo se bra na mesa oyare. E bi kra sa week no, nyame nya na adwen so obesa obi yare. What did I make an say? Of course, nyame hwe wonim eno na moni no. Hwe nipa time ni nyame time o. Say nipa time nyame time and Abraham with all the promises na nyame de man no. And kontwe man mu akokora sa na wa mana wo.
Sir
Abraham ha ye. Edu ba bi no apaba.
Okay.
Edu ba bi na obo nyame so bo. Say aden blessings be me de eden. Ebe ni ma ba na nyame se twen. Because o time any nyame time. Nieti a ye hu omusa no, o ma ye ohu to say enyame nam. But wo ye nipa. De bia me ka kire me obi a say nyame nipa o choose no oni obi nko consultation.
Say the ordinary ye le juma.
Yes, ultimate to so bia nipa hu no bi ultimate to so.
Okay.
Ye don through a onam ye mu no de ye adwuma. We are nothing. Iti ye hu saa na ye bre ye ho ase a wo yare obi beti wase. Na wotimi agina so eka kire wo ho say your friend is saying elections in Ghana I just wo waka. Adan nyame bo wiase na agina ho. Ana na oma oponko ahode no wo na aka kire say oma oponko no za ahode. Ana say na wiase no ode hangi universe no wo na wo kire no say ne onye no. We shouldn't behave like gods because we are not gods. Yes. Ni ame pa chensa we ye software. Ma sorry for ni who say we ye nipa. We ye fallible. Ye ka so be fallible to me hwe ase. Me software e hwe ase me ya na nyame nwa because o ye nipa.
Okay.
But we ye won to say we ye nyame a we hwe ase a enye nwa. Yo nyame hwe ase.
Sir.
Nyame kwa ye mistake. Onu bibi oye bia no e true. There's no mistake. Something na nipa say ye hu asofo say nyame. De bia me ka say da Yesu beba no. Yesu gina ha. Na ekofo asofo ni gina ha. O be dwane akoma asofo nche no mo gya Yesu.
Sir.
Yes, because ya asofo no almost directly attention to themselves. It's of directly towards Christ, who should be the center of our world. It is said no bia hwa wo hwe na sofo asemba isef obekot niko to adwani mu bompa ye akire Yesu Kristo no mekọ sofo sofo bompa ye ma miam no beto me obi kwa sorry wakotie preaching na wie no wa hu sofo go fie da because onim say sofo dey can be kire me sofo enyame sofo nyame sofo ti say me ne wo e ya adumi keke na nyame e dey afa ne mu onyo bia iti until I be my members na hu sa no say na be o yare ana ekofo e woda na sofo say yare go Yesu ba wa yare because o nyame say Yesu oka say I am no o wotumi say oka say I am but wo a wo ka I am who need to be for you to say I am because you are not God, you are human being. Say udu ba bi na sofo ya dia Holy Spirit ne ba ni mu a sometimes o wie kwa bi say e dey no yon kai because they are just a vessel. That is what you need to know.
Okay.
Also for to me yare bit me bo. Normal.
Okay.
But the way I carry a one ye ma omo who say ye to me bibia nti yare a na kwa say me pray. Eno na ye mu no. So what I say?
Ayo, mesa ba so be one asem no kakra bi wo mu a me shida wo nya no want ase wo. Empress.
Yes, darling.
Dear Mesa Bembus can only ya being said asofo no bi yom wo se nyame nti no mo yare e amafo nwana.
Me no ba meda wasena mechia too much ahwefo nyina na afi so ne medical ya kan say SMB say no, I comments be near the Abana Case. Who dear chat? I think never her. Almost you need not to prove yourself.
I almost say you can't comment.
Yes. But the issue is that Nyame asofo. Nyame yusu nipa. Abra Yesu Kristo baye na obeye n'edwuma no. Otiti ebi mu. Efa enchurchre mu. Ekwan ya yefa so eye Nyame edwuma.
Okay.
Because na onim se emrebi beba oni ho biem. Na wo baby wo anase bibi hya wonsa na wo hwe so a e wo se utimi train you bi na nipa no se wo ni ho a watimi esiwanam ahwe so sa na Yesu Kristo beyeye.
Okay.
Enti ne time so ye okoye onwo a oja wo machi no osan ma honhon ne ba won so ebo di adwuma eno no mo di aye adwuma saa na nne aduru ye nso yesu ya ye mu bi mu nso e di sa adwuma no eye adwuma. Na ade baako a ewo mu no se abra esuafo no eye nyamedwuma no na amanfo kokotie nkyerɛkyerɛ no ekodu baabi mu ebi mu tie a wotie ni saa keke na wokɔ to se asɛm a nipa no ɛka se ne ɔka no ɛyɛ papa ana se ɛnyɛ papa yɛnyɛ nhwehwɛmu wonsua de but ɛnɛ no akonya naba se udi sɔfo bi akyi ana se wokɔ asɔre bi sɔfo no preachi ensɛm a ɔka akwankyerɛ a ɔyɛ nyame no ama yakonya se ordinary person whether say you lay hands on you you anointing you can also do what the person is doing. Only say you believe and you study the word. So wosua asɛm na wobetimi aye bibia.
Okay.
But ene no nyame asɔrefo no mu bi mu a wɔte asɔre no sɛnea me bra kan no ɔma penti ɔmo ho sɛ dia the all. Obi si ɔno kra ne nyame na to nsa didie.
Obi kra ko no visitation.
Meanwhile nea ɔka sa no kra mpo you cannot quote a Bible verse. Enti ɛyɛ den na oni nyame edidie. Ɛyɛ den na oni nyame ɛbɔ nkomo. Ɛyɛ den na uti obi message ɛkɔkɔma nyame na nyame amamuaye ma odi aba. What are you talking about? Meanwhile asɛm na wugina so dia yes answer you can't quote it. You quote wrongly. So what I say? But these are the people enipa bi mu di wo re akwakwahye wo mu so much say oka se onku ne ho ma nipa na obeku ne ho. Enti no sa wo ka nipa ne ho asɛm bi a one wo nyadwen. Even though sa wo ka nyansa asɛm ontie. Asɛm a ye ken ye papa oye nipa. Adwuma a oye hwɛ dom a ɛhye na se. Okoda wonna obɔ mpaye oyese anya den stress ebeche no obetimi ayare na emom no to say as oyare na news no about out no who is to believe because already no they see him say he's the one or no dey ontimi nyare. So what I say because of eniema oyenti any the way the message comes out every day na enipa wo hwe nipadua na ebrewo nipadua ni ntimi nya dwuma 24 hours. Adan ebedu baby no obre but yesi hunam ya wo hoyeti no wura se osofu begina wanim na oprichi wa wini quote na okan sama kese edwa na adwa ne mpaso the way of brand sana wada because of say wo ho adwendwen ode ahye ne tirimo na ehu hia say wo sanka ofaka ne bed ho na ode afaka ne bed all is to say wo say approve nipa o ma nipa who say yes I'm powerful, yes what I'm talking about that is it. Elunti emma omunya time emma omu akasa omu nipadua no. Wei emma ye no sanka omagina me masori ameko. Say ya sorry penny bi yare a we announce it.
Okam obi at.
Oh yes.
Obi enye obi a won say ya sorry penny.
Me no wokasa me masori e da oyare. Onu krampo ne ye church secretary oyare financial oka ho. Enti no Sunday one ba so ya announce ye the whole church. Nipa so mesi yare nti wo abetimi no kwakosra no. And individually obi akoya kwasra no kɔbɔ mpaye ma. That is it. Oya nipa obetimi ayare. Enti si announce wa so ya papa ho mfa no oyare a obi ani hono ma ye kan say mo ya obe challenge say it's not true. So what I say because the message has been sent. But so you ask yourself say why are they hiding it? I didn't na yentimi kan publicly. I don't want me nyare. So ye nipa obetumi ayare. Na yare nso de etimi bo bia.
O say me we dey am kakra say for the very fact say we share Reverend Anthony Ojokuachi a oyobi a ye betumi afra no revivalist that say wa cause a sense of revival ene na so no ko nsenkyere ni obi bia dance utimi say dance dey gibre pa we si asam yare we su mawo we si my yese ti say such power at display was showing the moon. What that to me no? Yari dem bo.
Who is the source of the power?
Also nyame na dem a. They nyame no dem a wo wa mu de oni pedua no ti fe bi ma.
That's why any ba. I know the problem now moment I say no.
Share Job in the Bible Job. Share say Job edi nyame achi fire. But edu mu bi no because of a reason. Nyakopon ma Job hu kwan ma bronsam e bae. Ebe say Job niema eso ne hweye to test me faith. So what you say? And to say we nipa na we nyame nipa no nche say you do miracles so you can do it for yourself. And when for people be say osafo nsa ne ho yare. Obi wo ho a otete hahan oye dro pa. But at the end of the day ono yare a okọ ni other person ho no wa man no edro. Doctors omo hospital omo yare. But doctor bi wo ho no ma ono ne yare no ni school okosua osua for 80. Obi sua for a 9, obi sua for a ma, ho yare enko a. Na so otuwe na se wanya you wa friend say prostate. Why one obeko? Obeko specialist a. Why special in that? Say na asofo nso tie. Se wo ye sofo na o ya miracle e no nche se wo nso yire ntimi nka se onwo. Osofo bi wo ha o man crofo ba. O bompa ye a man crofo enya wo but ono akasa ne yire wo ye. You ask yourself, what are you saying?
10 years na year mu. Ole nsake ka wo so aso be wo.
Sister. Eno nche nyame mfa ne nya djuma. Nyame de ne nya djuma. Eno nche onye ne fiansa. Nyame wo ho no ma owo kwan your test to obi faith. To know say adena o je no. Do you really believe in it? Ne awo je no, o didi say ubetimi aye. And face no say, how will you feel it? Before I bet me the bibi one dance, I just want pass it through it. And son, I wait me the one dance. So I won't pass it through it, I want to me one dance. And you are not on the mantle, no. And to say no yaria, and your magician.
And your magician.
Obet me a yaripa.
Obet my
that is it.
Mr. Ben Bush.
Me crowd me. Okay, say near ordinance lay, or want to know. Nyame person chere say. How are you what
you don't
control God.
No.
You see, that's what we are doing. We are acting as if we control God. Here we want. And you be by ye win. You go dinner June, July. September and so to. This year is so toy. It's so to July. Yes. Wow. Last year, me can say nyame beche is when nyame. Yeah, you don't determine the time of God though.
So no global warming.
No. I never global. I never whatever me. No matter too much now.
Seasons not the same.
Yes, seasons. Mommy come in the job. God in here obi permission. Israel time. Dry season. See, dry season. Or catch a prophet say bomba in so to. Oh yeah, dry season to rain. That's the kind of God we are serving.
Okay.
But I want to say we know God too much. What are we talking about? Check this year out. Near best in a you.
And I said, Bosumi Bacope.
Near best in you. Check
and yes, Yana and
yes,
okay.
Yeah, but best share a few women. Corona by for one purpose. Emma Bebriani BA, or mania kata because of the word religion. Emma Omu who says, Sass of the Bebre, Ekasakwa. Emma who said, Yamibi Waho, or Yana or the brim,
or the nip pen a yard.
Or the nip pen a yard, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, 31st night, 2020. As some man Yamika Yen say, or bet Chenny Passer or Yami. This is what he's doing. You don't control God. You can't control God. Power Nanya media man, one of the mouth. Who the baby? Who the baby and Yami father to me every year? Who never been determined?
Unless I want to
power. Of course, unless now look around what GBB. Now, who Bonya be saying Yami, I'm telling you.
I will go for
no, you see, I cross the way you find the ignorance of man. After you didn't me a Chinkofosika in the name of religion. Anyamin Kasaya, Emia. 31st and by Bakupa, boy, and Yaminji or be or didn't this can be on Tian cannot change generations. That's what God is doing. Hey, Debbie, I'm Obi Aqua Market. One bread the whole year.
Seriously.
Also for when your cast 10. Up 5,000 a dozen. 500 Ghana the end won't be.
Over 2 million.
What is the purpose of the church? And you need the purpose of the church is to help the poor. Jesus, all preaching on me and on some more Bianidi. One can say Munko Fina Companiani. Now our church say, oh, quite sorry, the church should feed you.
Also help you.
How many churches are feeding the poor? How many of them?
They are rather taking from the poor.
They are taking from the poor in the name of me na to me Kwame. Who are you? You are a human being. You are nobody.
And the only thing is that we are lazy in reading. We are lazy in reading to learn ourselves.
No, you see, what I saw for me, but what they do is that obviously psychology. Or Chia will say, or no, your back cannot. Nyame na catch the streets. Yes.
And we also
no access to God. Meanwhile, no, na you real say yes be wu ye no. Curtain na te ye no. Etimo bia e say that curtain between God and man has been broken by Christ. So now I have what? Access to God directly. I don't need anybody to go to God. But they are still making us think that way. It will be yari krana was me so forward the one for me son to me so me won to me why nyame obit me yari wa hasata na Joshua Nigeria me pan boss wan ko Nigeria ne won to akwa no ko wi no sir me na me catch o tu kwan ko wi yes because nyame pa che say you don't determine his fate yari bi o ha Nyame to me will say you have to die. Obi to me save you. But ye won't say ye nyame. That is what I'm pissing me off.
Okay, but Sesian, I quite said ye. I'm sorry, money bino. Either so woman nim. And woman to a say. And I say woman nim. And woman nim so no one person metis will be square. I can't say the same assembly. And yet, young quiet, yeah, to say a whole reaction, but. According to Asuya Deto for me taking some mono. I said, Dona, still no. Woman bese, one media to me say, Papa, ya number, or would impose to a yari crampa. One bese a bell out there.
Miniaba.
Say a bar out, what does it mean? Say a bar out sale, so for yara, then next check.
And even my question to them is, mo problem the same. Say, Obin who was say, oh, dinner me here, or tiny at the end by Nipa Nebeka. Yesu Kristo abra wanya hwe na ye kwa akwachi na kunu no then ye onu kura wanya hwe no so if you being a man of God and woni ye nte ye asase su ha aye tu ye ni aye hu dan o kwa aye hu na ye ka ho asem aye dan
and some got it
say what you say
did I'm got it
one thing is that me sister let me tell you something a man for do am ho ahye asofo bi mu to the stand say onu ani ma me krampo kasama onte Wabone mami be ye totally.
Yes, crack as a monte.
Ensi no chase, obi fufuro frechire be ka se nipa sumasi okun kra onyi ni. Obekwa ma na kunu because of say when you plant samade bia to na dwen mu a wo ye na hwe anye den anye wie. I say let me tell you something. I was dating guy bia ono okwa asole. E no se mami ye nkwa asole.
Who put you?
Auntie.
I said the pastors.
I was there. Me
I'm aware. Yeah, quite sorry, me a sister. Sister, now you're quite sorry. Eradi Yesu Christo. Ya two nyomo, ya di and first offering, second offering, third offering. I do preaching ye be preaching. Uti dead day ye now shall solid day ni pe gum any dead day. Afoma boy de soa obi atena se me share platform so a me hu so obi agina ho pra microphone ya obe preaching. The only thing I was seeing was screen TV. Not knowing say what for what bag free fie. No man kwatena se akọhwe TV. Ni na ya sole. Ofa ne bag free fie wa kwaba fole akoyi tight. Owi a wa hwesofo wo screen so akọhwe TV.
I want so for no way.
I want am se masa.
Wada.
like me.
What it branch? Branches now, what it branches now, what it no. And no main one no. And the other branches never already was screen.
So for no old preaching, or behind me preaching.
Yes.
Look at that.
Look, and you should be a disciple to others.
Of course, your mentality.
You should be a disciple.
Fucking mentality.
Say, and that's often you want to. I was saying, we were suffocate with deacons, with deaconess. Now, the obit to me, and you know what preaching in place of you. So what are you saying?
Not to see it's for the fear, sir. I'm very much me guana.
Who you leader? Now obit me now. You are a failed leader. I'm telling you. Who you leader? Leader ni obi already leaders. Into only one. You are Yesu. Or buy it. Who you are calculating no. And of course, rank a book. We are leader BNA or Jamie.
You should make a disciple.
Who na would the Yamia bomb? One and Yamia Mointel. One original and whole preaching. Oh, my access to people to grow. Here, I saw for frustrated in a soft get one. Sir, oh, Master only doing Casabo. Obi was 1 month, sorry, money 2 million.
Never a
mantle. Software.
Baby, I saw for Juma and Casano and you machine. No one question and send your question. You have to wait for the call. Say call and no then you practice it.
O send no no my am receive calling.
And then sister obi kwa question send your question Juma no den who question Juma mu. Ne ma so den send na question Juma mu.
Some go to 18 san.
O to tinsan.
Hey.
O say. What question Juma wa question.
Aso for get wa.
O get na hoy.
Wọ́n dé tẹ́ mama.
Ẹnu kúrò pọ̀pọ̀ ayé àmà ní platform ní.
That be the now
we can see 1 year náà wọ́n àti ní wọ́n àkọ́tí ní ìdíyẹ náà wọ́n kọ́kọ́ yẹ.
Frustration no.
Mi tiẹ̀.
Because mama can be sure. Asọ́fù ọmú wù nù. Because ẹ̀dùnmá ló ń gbọ́ ẹ̀dùnmí yẹn. Ẹ̀nà ọmú fọ́ sọ̀ mẹ́jọ mẹ́wù.
Àjùmọ̀dúnyà kò sí prophet.
Sọ ẹni bá.
Ma àjùmọ̀dúnyà kò sí prophet TB Joshua. Wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n ní pẹ̀lú pẹ̀lú kan àṣẹ wọ́n sáyẹ̀ wẹ̀. What ti asofo enketu
and say commotion si ho commotion si o
wu ye because enya wo eda onu no so
and no dey go play court aye dey ama ne yiri so you ask yourself say disciple na no do achi no o dey o me ye den.
The difference between the white man and the black man is one thing: greediness. Just say person me kunya ene me person obi yet same.
Let me
example. Benny, so Benny, yeah. All those big people, who are almost trying to continue.
That is it.
Sometimes a year bigger than even when they were alive.
That is
because our succession plan, it does not mean say the back. It does not mean say the back because King Saul. Time no tias not always say neba Jonathan and Kobedi na ade but na nyame adwen na nkofofo so mni nyame adwen no nyame say enye ono
ni nipa adwen
yeah na say po na make kind Bible onim say David the favorite son enye Solomon
I think it's Absalom
the favorite son ono na ya wo no Solomon otu ye no say nyame say fa kola we si akunya no so nyame say no me na me choose Otusu wanya.
Afede oko we chena Solomon.
Dabi otusu Solomon ya den.
Solomon ye mpena bana.
Woye busuo ba, woye mpena ba. Benu na nyame tusu ye. And out of Solomon came Jesus. Iti tell sometimes ye nyame no ti na so.
You are theologian. I don't think you are saying no. Or saying na what did diablo?
Oh, to aso.
But everybody question is ama.
Okay.
Ama.
Yetie.
What you sorry?
Yeah.
Nyame na ma vision.
Yeah.
Ba vision ne de mani pa ba kono. O ma odom na eboa wo. Onku ahontimi nya adwuma no.
Chiche.
Nti wo ya chiche. Hwe delegation na yo. Delegate me bro.
Esa so for ni manyama ni gina o.
Adwuma ni gina o se no
problem. Ebi wo ha. An. Utimi kwa sorry. Na so for na ka say oh. And then the patron ma so for na ka no. Me so mo lie. Na anointing oil. Enti mundi the line so na ebia me ma wa ha. Na we wa ha. You be surprised what people will do. Obi abeko baby asofo no. Na asofo nke to ebia ni
but here am come nche.
Why? Because one woman who said to me be wo nko awo so. Meanwhile, Elijah didn't know. Impart power into people. So why are you not doing the same? And only you will, sir. Oh, you make us a almost bring yame, maybe yame. But the fact of the matter is, who you need pa, who you are who. One delegating power now. Yeah, delegating does not mean you are weak. It means you are wise.
Okay.
Because a Juma me your head also. Make us a metal me now me. It is sometimes put me the way I see and I will see and I will only work a Juma will flow. Me boss on him say a Juma on to me na. It you way na I didn't flow. I now yes I mean may you wait me ube na Juma no.
Bible ne say mo ko wiase aman nyina nkoka sempa no. Your bed here did move on the soup, a journey of Basun. Thank you. Then you make a disciple from there.
Thank you.
What it is, any panel born a soon. No swap or cancer natural. No swap natural. I don't know, Celia from Paul and Barnabas, Silas, and I that's all for no alcohol for 1 minute and a half. That's sweet sister. And you know, sir, if you are a disciple and you cannot make a disciple,
you fail. You were failing. I can see in the head. Me was sorry for your hand, me some whoop. I sorry na.
Sir,
I sorry can say organ and no whoop. I sorry na.
I didn't.
How about the succession plan?
Sister, look at a member typical example.
Succession plan.
Look at Asoria. There be almost retaining teacher leaders, almost changing leaders, almost changing leaders. Me, my church that are perfect. But you're more leader and nothing for more than 3 years. Every 2 years, you're changing. Say, I have look away now. Or the other way back officers, chairman, yes, and every chairman, yes, and to know, I know about who know who said this is the sole personal. But when I am sole proprietorship, and to one year, and I say, a band. A woman be a minute in me fee, neighbor baby, 3 months. Now I got up band. Some rubber band, yeah, actually, now or their shakolan and sana, a suntino bumutu. The whole night, Apolan and su. No, why, yes, so all of a sudden, as a convulsion at Tiacolano. Obi and one day I felt the Kosha for. While Russia Apolan didn't do hospital, the only thing I nest near face and or cutting band. Now send your band, net trap baby, all in the name of faith.
Obi the picture ball or say, picture, and yes, you picture the Mupa. Me how you lecture? Hey, now who said there be no one send your wire no? What can you make time can see? What's it?
And so when
you Thomas God?
And so from coming.
Check. Let me kind of and you come so. What be a bear who send Yami be a Yami Bekun? Eh, simple. Yami no on pet Nunkumo. On pet me no on send the glory.
Only side chick.
Only side chick. My main man.
Only side chick.
And a main woman. It is Mamu, yes, said, what in your AC? Obey to me shop picture. I see me shop picture and be I am Tibako. Nipa picture, or no.
I dance secret to me, the PM.
Nipa picture.
Would you know one?
So, or your picture no boy, Yamia or time.
And then you won't for Bible to a boy by Dynamidi. Ama, yare.
What's a bad special? We also for but I said, there will be a
years of.
Oh,
faith now back on one side.
There will be a friend that said, tapping into covenant. Tapping into covenant.
Into what tapping?
W. What's that? Was for Diano, according to yes, some GD said, was for no. On TV so me so keke nyina so bi oni nyame apam bi enu na so fudie no ebina so enti se ayaresa pam a se na moto na so fudie tuma nya no ayaresa dance be na musa enti se obi se o akoto calendar fi asori na calendar na calendar bia na so for enimbo bi no o se o me hu fa me ana me hwe calendar me hwe so no me hu so from to nyame a Only me so far pam Samiabia. Send you on soon is up on
General say yes, Christo abe woman adasa Samiaria. Na yesu Samiaria.
Nyankopon or a respecter of covenant.
Na covenant is measurement with Nyamia Kobi. Apam ni baba ni Nyamia.
What did you say?
And only that they are
do as of
that people did baby in Christ. See, I see a training obia to know who Christ is.
So I just say baby oh and
what's
up typical example
what's wrong there but I don't know wrong are you not teaching them
example Abra Paul and then Barnabas were called Antioch no. Baba wana oshia omokwan na ono introduce o machire kroman no e den na musi ye. Sa nipa na busuanfo didi ne ho. Esan se tumi a na odi ye adwuma no. Enti no ohu om no di kan ya introduce o thinking say they will also accept her. Na ye yini ma and o casting no away. When my young say we have spirit, familiar spirit, they behave, Persia spirit, they behave like
God. I'm telling you.
I was say, Uma when you daho, say, Obi can't some chiro, Obi si kokum mame. I don't know what's not saying me. The reason to a si kokum mame. Obi a catch all say, Oba quabro Sina say, Nebi San Jose, Erandi, Minu be any abrochri.
Abrochri grab me come by.
I do not make my me so for a big man that your mammy pure that cram and Tom Walker.
No, you met me as well.
And to know then I make one of my quiet. So what I say, now what be said, Nanya men on your no share a bad wow, not the amount.
Yeah.
Now what to me I survive it. So what I say, ma ye so illiterate to say, ne ya can be any accept it. Sana ye. Ya illiterate. Ni ebe can be a that is all. The ebe can be a no. Yeah, haya ho. And to shemu who say ne ya can. A yam pan. And I say a yam pan near to ABC.
Obit me quote.
I don't know ya book at
Jesus and Mary Genesis. Now I sorry for what would you mean? Obit me fake or bar no I sorry them. Obit me that or bar two I sorry them. Yeah, Jimmy. Jimmy.
Obi you are crashing the room.
Yes,
break you deliverance.
Ayo, na NTS said, yeah, Caponisiano, I'm sorry for no dear Banum, as woman yemfa, sir, one penia, where you
sir, what to say?
And look, what's that? May come this because a bit here, but say, a bit more, so I'm a be a baby in Christ. One more this year. Now, boom, so for Crampo, Jimmy, in Pon, why you're in a semi cram in the other bed. Monsieur the Nina, I said, sorry, woman,
Yammy Bisa for falling now.
Oh, when you from
Yammy Bisa Omina, if you was of a penny. Send you out to 10, Emma. Send a money show. Almost show no more, almost Yammy. Moses, and Pafani, and then what did you see? What? My guess is your Moses. Was in your message representing Christ? Was he Yesu? My lady pa. Moses, not on your soap of God. I'll wait and say, hey, Yamisa won't him and I won't bet Tomo. But Yamika Chan said, was he for a one, Saturday night or one for one, not for saying a biaso. Obi or Wabeka no Beshedian, Benyanka. That time, then Yame practice a time is coming that I'm bringing what? A savior. Nyame on pesi ehwe nipa sa na se kire asori for no se wo kire de ka job se mimie nipa o metimi awu metimi ai mama nhwe me nhwe Kristo mi njai sa nyama na ye
direct mom say you are also working under the grace.
You are even
you are not the grace.
You are not the grace.
So you are working under the grace.
From the marker, but maybe for wake at time, the Bible no full of stories of the lives of people who have lived their faith life. Do not preach you cry so for when you to Abraham now cry so no like it has been that since the beginning. You are always being taught to learn from
what you're saying.
Examples.
No, what you're saying is different.
Me too.
Who catch me say for when you to Abraham Paul boy yeah. And different from no. Different from say who catch him say me go help Paul picture na me area. Two different things.
Yeah, very true.
Se wo ka che mi se me hwe obi suban se nia owo gidie wo nyamim se nia onanti wo training mu se nia obo ne bra e please nyame a you are right because we nipa metimi adwe nipa ba ka che mi se me kwhwe sa nipa because nyame tumi wo no so na menya nkwade a I'm telling you lie bad. I'd rather go and look at the author and finisher of my faith who is Christ and who will give me one life.
Give you life. Simple. Okay, on this note, we say now you're showing him say, Papa no, nyame be na dom na wato abunso gu nsunes we.
Oh, nyame adom ne ho ebeto no. Ne members no mo starting kofi nkwasra no. Na mo so mo bom paye ni bi mo.
Na last chance nyame man ni o. Last chance ni o. Oba biem a. Oma sorry for ni hu say nyame no ye o, nyame no ye. Nipa nya hwe.
Oba oyobi odi na me wa dance.
Me dey me ka sa say me nim no.
Oh, so won't tie ne.
Ah, me dey bi o me dey
He's a preacher of righteousness.
Me ka sa. Me ti a me pa che ne say. Adenti na enkofo dim believe say oyare. Because omo hu say ontime nyare. Oni nyame ya pa ontime nyare. The next time oba ka tell say mamu mayare. Ka mi bewu enyi nyame ka mawu. Ti say no obi odi ne gidi ahye mu bi onyi fi mi mu.
Okay.
Na mo hwe nyame Yesu no beji. Anu
no ampa. Na ye twa ekomo no so yenko hwe eye prophet Nigerian so na kache ko kakra wokoye interview kakra ko motwetwe mu mutumi say still na no IGP eye Dr. George Kufu Dampare ne nsema one eye sumpeni foko nshimdi a ode ehun tutu aso beta abonte and is also the better abonte say see an over professor here na e be da abonte na ye ehun asem de amanfo betichi amanfo be amanfo abohu na say hu ya paso be koje either court permit na say wo kan asem no bia we produce evidence to use asem still na e ha no enti wasa be kire mu pa de enti a wono akasa tia wo say if you want to make laws about prophetism, you don't invite Anglicans. With all due respect, they are all part of the clergy, but have no idea about what we do. I am a prophet. Bishop Salifu Amwako, Bernard L. Bernard, Papa Owusu Bemba, and others are all there. Sally were not invited. Don't you think, say, he has a point here, because one they are noted for giving such prophecies about the nation. Yehuna's doom prophecies, who only the bad news. No, none of them were heard to have been invited to a conference and are sitting with the IGP. No, assuming penny for no. We heard of Christian Council, Pentecostal Charismatic Council, National Chief Imam, so national but we never heard of say maybe prophets in airport. And why don't you go straight to the people I want to ask them
see. This I was say you say somebody
one year bisanu.
Nigel Gazi.
Prophet Nigel Gazi.
I was say you bisanu say bodies na your friend and when you want to belong to because the whole Ghana yet mean fresh association in organization mu nipa nyina enkoho and the leaders and I picky and no call ye. And you know, near who will join no. So you're Muslim near, Muslim leader na ya fan a call no. Or no, or best selling information no. I'm not say, ya call no. Say na kwakowi. Now Anglicans now wakano. Sister, they have prophet oh.
Also, I'm professor.
They have prophets.
No, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
In their midst, the only thing is they don't come out like this.
Thank you.
I am a Church of Pentecost member. We have prophets.
Don't you have prophet in your
We have prophets.
Thank you.
My area.
Oh, prophet.
Area head. Or your prophet. David, we don't do that. Our church, some prophets, shampoo, basa, we don't do because we don't believe, say, I was say we do GDN nipa no elder na pastor no. And for GDN shen we yan chresa. And see our prophet, say ye be ye chairman. Prophet focus ya bomb paye. Na edino aba aside that no. Esan say nipa epe confirmation. Na one person be say ya connection no. Asofo nyina sign koshia. No makoto aba. Watu aba ni enyame di ni din ba ye na siso pepepe.
Sir,
I'm telling
prophecy.
But our prophets don't come out to do this. But we have prophets in the church. They are also teachers. They are also evangelists. They are also pastors. And but if you see them decent oh, say. But who said they are the prophets. Back out for hyper trending.
Where's up a hype? Up a hype.
Prophet swag.
Up a
swag one prophet.
You see, what ministry? We
have prophets. We have prophets. We have pastors. We have pastors. Nina in Ghana ha. So what it was sorry at the end of the day, I was said we belonging to some umbrella. Umbrella now will belong to ye leaders. Enti some leaders na e wo ho no. Say your friend meeting national meeting.
Some association.
Enti no say na
I'm no.
Oh, you're from
Association of Prophets of Doom.
I
Doom prophecies.
Check. And on joining.
So I'm joining.
Someone joining here.
That's a doom.
I
meeting. I didn't hear something to my doom.
Nili dani ko meeting no. Obema be bona man. Ama, yeti hey. Na say ye frɛ for meeting ya. Ye frɛ say medias ni nyina mo bra for meeting. Enye obi a no beko. Ye be fa heads. You better pick one from every media station. Thank you. And to mukona moba. Now the information na call holding na ediaba. And to say baby on the camp no baby you belong to no one ko hono mo beyond joining be there you anko joining. No go put information e wo. And one thing about it, say oya confirm me asema Shatawale air canon. And I'm so many call prison. And then ya papa down pare air canon. Oya me ye dia juma. A kwan benso necessary. Say what my young who said, what to me and show who so in prophecy. So Becca, into your becho. Now your better, your better. I was so fear and panic. Your becho. When who said fear and panic, no, ever did you on account to your betches up a trending. You ever man, ever did you on account to your man trending this year, 31st night. Ever man trending. I'm not for Becca, one prophecies.
Baby, Mr. Ben, who's ready, I'm also here. Yes, channel, our primary so. They are notable prophets. Woman didn't come she be saba. Yeah, terminal as doom prophets. No, and the name somebody say IGP or share some meeting or she shares some meeting. And wouldn't it have been better said? Wobe calling on board the stakeholders are noted prophets. Yeka Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempano mo yeka prophet Nigerian mo eagle prophet wo ni ya tete wo mo nkonsha yesi webe wontika wo from mo a na ke hu say okay and I said no can straight on hand now after bodies in pending for the most of them we don't even know them and even if they have such even if they have such ministry as prophets Mukapa, they are operating in a way until say a problem. Ghana for you complaining about them. Those that have been problem no. None of them were at the meeting. And today I said, was it a way forward and now standing at one place and now finding some way to intimidate them? Because I said, ocean in another way, the upper channel, it makes sense. And
which sense? I'm trying to get him, but I don't understand.
I'm saying, sir.
No, I've gotten what you want to say. But what I don't understand is what is wrong with him?
What is wrong with who?
Nigel. Trending on your name.
We say we are about
Mommy, I clear to you. Disciples, how many of them were prophets?
And yeah, me to be family. I know we apostles. There's some more operating all the fivefold ministries.
Mommy can't be being sure. Prophecy. You can be a prophetess.
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh yeah, me.
What can I say on you and you give up? No, you see, it's a specialized institution. Who told you that?
But I said a specialized institution.
Who told you?
It's a serious office.
No, who told you?
From
yeah, just
we don't know.
From time in memory,
Mommy can be sure. Those times, Pentecost, every can now new. Yeah, bomb by year. Nyame won't miss this your beer or beer. Was that not prophecy?
It's prophecy.
Was that not prophecy?
It's prophecy. Got to a time it was being manipulated. When we now scatter like.
Because you
then who said it's being manipulated? Because you said you have the discernment of the spirit.
And I said that you somebody in a 419. Who you are in 419. Mommy can be sure. Mommy can be sure. Christian Council meeting. Your friend, the Muslim community.
Yeah.
Boy.
Representative from the National Chief Imams of
Thank you.
And no, they just say, "And Christopher, ye nyachon. They say greedy. What do you say? Christopher be back on. Sometimes to even call myself a Christian.
I didn't.
Because you're super in the chest. Oh no, I'm being frank with you today. You can say Christian Council and one way and see. I'm not a Christian.
I'm a Christian.
Is he not a Christian?
He is.
Is so also not a Christian?
Oh, no,
hold it. Yeah, Kasa TV Mama. Who does he represent? It's not the Muslim community.
Yeah.
It's a Christian council about you don't belong to them. If what you are doing you think is right, why don't you belong to them?
O say woni mi wasema, kasi me nim na mu.
Asema no. O pa say wonu ni asem. Umum na ni Ghana enya asem.
Samu.
Of course. Because fear and panic no, ya hwe osu be paso na ye yo, a lawyer all the dada. Yeah, for a reason.
That's true.
Because I didn't know oh yeah. You might think say oh solve a problem, but you are creating problems.
Okay.
Hwe ya gadia so for we ya. You only be back Ghana no, e be see Rwanda.
Ama for Chesikan wa wo ma.
Any prophecy o. Woni e fie mo ma say. Obi ono okasa no okachi obi say ni kunu e debe e ma ware na say. Woni niam se mu omo. Woni e fie aware omo gu. Woni no be from say prophet. Prophet a won kan you niam mom. Na dey be ha me say niam with your prophecies. Is it from God? Nyamina minimum no want to say unless somebody tell me nyamia sisa. Wo bi ne yire wo prophet e just e ya na me wanwa. Wo bi wo ha he okoware omu ade. Oba wo na se nyame susu picture say akola omu ade. It your catch am say me kunu e ha me catch say kwana ko bu ade. Ukunu obeja wo ha.
Ade bu awu muntia.
Good. Now what catch you say oh don't worry. Me bomb pa na mama oyi Udu wa onu aduane fa gum. Woni enkofo kunu omo awu because of omo. I didn't know the
poison or
no kuno. Master in the name of prophecy.
Wo ku obi kuno.
Wo kuno because mama can be sure. Ewiase wo ho. Ewiase amoi. Common sense nyame man for a purpose. Say nyame nim say prophecy so be bibia common common sense.
You correct.
Wa hu say nipa na ba. We ye social matter. Obi ni maame asema ba. Ye kasa ma ripo ye benfo a ukoku ni padua na the spirit within the person no still lives and spirit no eno na ye adwuma no etu kajem so mi koku mi maame a se minim bible ni maame hu se wo kra no nya papa
o maame ye wa e bia kasa bia okati a o maame a ye ne ya no di ye die kasa bi du wachi entu papa ne twa no kwanchaw
those times cry ye nim se ye kasa obi maame ye se wo ton to ma cha no entu ma ni nya bro Etuma no to chania ade e ya wa yama na ye ne yam ojemu
e ma ne ka
enye so e beifo mame be na e beifo mame owo no ye beifo na wo so for odina ho de sa wonya beifo sa
ni ye bi
wo professor
back in guys
ya bi ama wo ye nye careful ese no ka no oni ni o ka
wo yi wo ho
wo say mame ko ti na asem ko say ohun da say so for yi tuo agosi obi so say enkom sheti
osu bempa yi tu anko we fi
and they say anya prophetically connected
ne
they say wentu na suom te wo nto mo ase da
na so funti mi show who to that extent
and then is ebufa I mean they different and they person
okay society Bibi papa ya
there be someone says so nipa
and Miss Bell abakan ya say prophecy and your two and
I'm me I atro I ko dey approach atro to no so abeka no cause papa no I dia wana dia pa o twa atro no
why are there
oni presidency cramp one because
can Japan get on the president da was so no cry bi no for say no what do you see go one say ma we bi na e ya na me bu afu no say who are you to determine the fate of Ghana who are you Obi me a foko I'm telling you today wow niam we omo ye no eno na e bo man no time I say ye hwe o man ko ye ko no na ye spend time on this useless talk
on this useless
hwe go for accommodation hwe niam esisi go for me entura fees eno de enyo wa sorry say who say so hwe go for 600 I can say me hwe na ni TV station then me am say change channel no ni pardon ma bu ho wo je correction 116 is kwa ka betu hwe go for bebre eno nya no gross ro no gross mo twen
yo come on baby ya ni santi usu say asimo be kan ma IGP fa now at least one One share now on pen was a mechanic face you but your empress in Titium.
Nasema okay. We are deep in van yashe. Near ya beka no yaka ya set the ball straight. Say what ya da hoso. Masa ya kan ya no pa men fa o de akotrai ya bechew. Want me mountain e ma me catch us papa say. Ya kan in general. Obe shan kom obi ansisu shan kom. But men share emfa fear and panic emma. O ko shan kom obi akotwe sikere ko gina ni aso ne papa so ya bechew. Enti sa to wey say ya shan kom aka cho so ma me bi na e ya o de na fear and panic no akwa report. Utimi report em ya che sofo no. Enti so nim say ne ya ka no enko yie ma no na emwa no anka se ntu ni hofo. Ansana are too late because papa na wa ba no de no nonsense man. Say yes setting niam straight. Oma ye book up no man na ye too much. And they see say emra na wo ho no so no omu tua fa so. They feel say they are above the law. And you know emra no try say this is what is there. Na yemu ye nyabu so nche say emra ni o man no. Emra no wo wa sorry no operate. But eniam say na guide o. Enti do lame. Na emra ni so di ni lame. No be assume the emra. Etisa na utwa kochia obi di. Obecho. Na but your Mr. Pembroke also the final words na point of an face.
Me de nya meka ne say Ghana for muma ye ni. Ye jimia che. Asofo e me ye jimia che. Hwe Bible no, woni ma kenka gra twi de wo ho. Se say kwa de for audio. Bompa ye na nyame ma discerning spirit. Oma ni tusu no encha Bible ni. Hey, who problem bia wa kokoto do mu nya sofo bia. Bompa ye nyame be sa yare. Nya ope bia wo wiase o be sa yare. Okwa so dem a tie salvation. Salvation no na hia me. Hey, ka ye de kwen. Eda ye de kwen. But salvation na ye eternal life ne me no. Ma ye ni pa because ye ni pa ho na ye nya salvation. Forget ye be nebusa for my baby for and matu mo and Mr. Ben Bruce and ye be so no Empress and na me show pass me kan ho na dwede mu ne ye koye wo komodie mu ma se bi etimi eto din wo ma dwenkyere emu but ni nia mu no me nya bre ankin kan adwenkyere ne se bi sa ma ni nia mu no me ni wo mpa bia me de community ye show pass wo share e de kire a na ye bedru de wa sem bi se bia no wenya anu yie na maka ne sewie no me da mo so asese mo stay up na mo share ye abedi se pepeso ya di esinyam kopon koso a ehwa mo na editors ni engineers a ewechi wo mo so enyo mo de ewo ho na mi hwe mo dwuma pa mo de tai chi ne me cameraman DK mo no so abo dwuma pa na mi ehwa wo na ebusu for kosisi e be se hwe bi mi tin na ama obusu a bo mo de na subscribe to Tuma GH na ebiem to share your videos on other social media platforms. Wait me and follow you on Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Local dishes, Adriani Bia, Adriani Pabedidi.
Wow, Shenamna. Wele ye madie bibie na bie diwo aha na Stephen Apia bedidi ya eko viral no I would order dwane you are bringing it right there at your doorstep enti ye dwane pe fie mum na mo be dwane pa na ha na dwane papa wo ye wo East Legon boundary road opposite the self-filling station.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a Too Much Multimedia College. If we say about equipment, a church for a quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there. And then a location at the coffee pipe junction. For number ne wasio, na wankasa fre. Na obi another one, na memo bin kasa me frama. Wankasa fre, abati
Osei Chrome Ejianepa 24/7 joint and I'm engineering in Busia for Nei ejumenti nipa ni bre wetimi akɔhye ejumuma bese niwe afei na wopon wo mo joiti every bia obebia efi eye anaju kopi mahomache eni anopemu krampo no ba ha eduane bia wopebia osei krom eduane pa 24/7 joint there be rest assured say obenya say ye fufu say ye banku say ye mo kwai wache die na ope Joseph Kra enumere bia from 1 a.m. and now you say kroma ye din na so bibia enu obetima fedwan wa soro graph nem kra na so ndaye se wudidi na opeduane dia eye osei krom 24/7 eduane papa de DB na me na ye fine wo mo joint eduane bia every bia